How to make and create training proposal document on Google Docs PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just follow with me. First thing, go to Google Docs. This is the home page, as you can see. Now click on template gallery here in the top and scroll down until you find the training proposal right here. Click on it, and now on this page you can now change the text, as you can see, and everything right here easily. And after you finish editing all this training proposal, just go to the top again. Go to the top, click on share, and it's gonna be saved. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.